Hi everyone, a very good morning and welcome back to the markets. Today is a Monday, 7th of December 2020. Over the last 1 month or so, ever since the beginning of November, we do see the US dollar weakening from 94.20 levels all the way down to the current levels of 90.70. The main drivers for the US dollar weakness was that the COVID-19 vaccine has been found and that there are very good developments and progress regarding approvals, manufacturing, and also distribution. The second factor that has been pushing down the US dollar is that the US Congress is looking to provide a second large financial stimulus package valued at 908 billion US dollars, possibly even by this week, okay? Because by this Friday, the current US government funding will expire on the 11th of December. Okay, so looking at the charts again, we do see the US dollar even weakening for the last four market days on last Wednesday, last Tuesday, last Wednesday, last Thursday, and also last Friday. Okay, so moving on to the technical charts, we do see last Friday we did have the non-farm payrolls data coming out at 9:30 p.m. local Malaysia time on last Friday, and the numbers came in at 245,000 jobs created versus market expectations of 480,000 jobs. So yeah, job data was weaker than expected. However, we do not see the US dollar weakening a lot on last Friday as the data was being announced. Instead, the US dollar found good support at 90.53 levels and then after strengthened to the high of 90.82 levels. The euro dollar did weaken after the data came out, and as the US dollar strengthened, we do see the euro dollar weakening from a high of 1.2174 all the way down to a low of 1.2110. As for the UK pound, the UK pound did weaken at about quite late in the evening last Friday at about 11 p.m. local Malaysia time. It weakened from 1.3517 all the way down to 1.3423, going down about 93 pips. Okay. So the UK pound hasn't been as bullish as the euro dollar, as the US dollar was weakening last week. This could be mainly due to the ongoing UK and European Union Brexit negotiations, which are not having much progress, and thus the UK pound is not having much momentum to push higher. Okay, bear in mind that even though the UK pound is less bullish than the euro dollar, it is also currently trading at the multi-year highs of 1.3512, last achieved as early as 2019 December last year, and also coming back to its high levels of 1.3500 way back in May 2018. Okay, so the next levels, if the dollar continues to weaken, which I think the dollar could weaken further to 90.20 levels. If the dollar weakens, of course, we could see the UK pound push higher towards the next levels, which will be around 1.3770 levels. Okay, 1.3770 levels. And of course, the euro dollar being bullish last week as the US dollar was weakening, and it is for the euro dollar, it is also currently trading at the multi-year highs, last achieved over here in April 2018 of 1.2100 levels. So the next target prices could be as high as 1.2270 levels. Okay. As for gold prices consolidated on last Friday after pushing up on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, pushing up about 70 US dollars. On last Friday, as the non-farm payrolls data was announced, it was just fluctuating and trading within a range of about from a high of 1,847 to a low of 1,829. This is about 18 US dollar range. Okay, so currently it is still in the range. We will need to decide later where the market is going. Okay, so oil prices pulled back marginally on last Friday as there was confirmation that the oil producing economic countries will be increasing oil production by 500,000 barrels per day starting 1st of January 2021. Okay. So again, exciting times on a daily basis on the markets, and as oil prices has been strengthening recently, we do see the Canadian dollar strengthening against the US dollar by about 220 20 pips. Okay. So again, yeah, nice times to be trading on the market. So for today, again, economic calendar-wise is pretty empty. Okay. However, just watch out for the UK trading cycle and also the US trading cycle later tonight. Okay. So I guess this is the beginning of the week. Let's see how the market, let's see what's the market direction later today before we decide how we're going to trade it tomorrow. So have a good day ahead, and I'll see you guys again for the next market updates tomorrow. Thank you.